Mrs. Wadekar SV, working as assistant teacher in Shri Shivaji Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Aum, Pune. For Standard 12, I am teaching Bifocal Electronics C2 subject. Today I am going to start from paper 2, Digital Electronics. Now let's start with chapter number first, number system. Let's start this digital electronics with the basic concept and different type of number systems. In this first chapter, you have to study different type of number systems, their different type of operation like number conversion, then algebraic operations, Boolean laws, addition, subtraction, etc. As there are different type of number system, we have to study basic concepts and number system like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay. Why should we know binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal number system? So long ago, humans looked at their hands, saw 10 fingers and decided to use a base 10 system. See here in picture. But how many fingers does a computer have? Let's see. All computers need to run is electric current. The binary states in computer are created using two different voltages. High voltage means 1 and low voltage means 0. If you observe, this is a light blinking state, so we can treat that as a high voltage. If light is not blinking, that is a low voltage, means 0. So computers are built from transistors and an individual transistor can only be on or off two positions or two options. Now let us see what is a number system. A number system or a system of numeration is a writing system for expressing number, that is a mathematical notation for representing number of a given set using digits or the symbols in a consistent manner. For example, we in a day-to-day normal life use the decimal number system, that is, we use to number 0 to 9. Now the number of distinct symbols used in number system is known as its radix or base. So in decimal number system, the base would be 10 as we use 10 distinct symbols from 0 to 9. Similarly, there are different number system. See, this is a decimal number system. So what is meant by decimal number system? The number system which has base or radix 10 and symbols, it consists like from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, commonly used in our day-to-day life. Okay. Now let us see number systems in detail. Decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. And you know that decimal number system having base 10 uses number from 0 to 9. And octal number system having base 8 uses number 0 to 7. Hexadecimal base 16 uses number 0 to 9 A to F. Similarly, binary base 2 uses number 0 and 1. Now, what is decimal number system? This is a positional number system having base 10, and this is exponential number system. Why the exponential? Because each and every digit having value in the power of 10, where the rightmost digit is the ones position See, these are position and weights for each and every digit representation. Whereas the rightmost digit is the ones position, the number of ones. The next digit to the left is the tens position, the number of groups of 10. The next digit is left is the hundred position, the number of groups of 100, and so forth. The value that the digit represent depend on the weight or position they hold. The weight are based on the power of 10. See, this is the position and weight diagram. This is the LSB. It shows the at the right side first position. Now this is MSB. Why MSB? Most significant bit, because its weight is maximum or most than the LSB. See in this diagram, LSB having weight, it is at first position, and while MSB is at number of groups of tens, 100 or 1000 in this way. Any decimal integer can be expressed as the sum of each of digits times power of 10. For example, 6349 can be expressed as 6349 is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 plus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 plus 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 plus 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0. Why this 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0? Because we have to decrease the value of first digit, not increase. If we write here 10, then it will be 9 into 10. Okay. So from right to left, the weights goes on increasing in decimal number system in its digits time power of 10. So it is written here in this fashion. So we will get 6 into 1000, 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So the final number will be 6000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 9, and final number will be 6349. Is that clear? The binary number system. Now what is the binary number system? The binary number system is ideal for internal working of computer. Binary number system has only two digits, that are 0 and 1. So its base is 2. The positional weights for binary number system are based on the power of 2 given as under. Okay. Now in like decimal number system, there are position, face value and weights for each and every digit. Suppose the number 1101. Okay, like first, second, third and fourth positions. 1 for first, 0 for second, this 1 for third and 4 for 1. Okay. So here are the weights: 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power 3. For each position, face value and weight get multiplied with each other, and we'll get by adding each positional values the new number. Just as the decimal notation, we write a binary number as a string of symbols, but now each symbol is either 0 or as 1. To interpret a binary number, we multiply each digit by the power of 2 associated with that digit's position, face value and weights. Okay. For example, consider the binary number 1101. We can represent in decimal form by writing their equivalent binary weightage: 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to the power 3, and by adding their respected place value by multiplying. Okay, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. In this way we will get 13 decimal equivalent to the 1101. Now octal number system. Now next is a octal number system. Octal has 8 fundamental digits 0.23456 7. So the base of this system is 8. The weights of digits position are successive power of 8. Starting from 0 to 7, total symbols are 8. Position, face value and weights. Here as this is a base 8 system, so 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2, like this. There are different weights for different position and face values of given number. Suppose the number is 352. This is the octal number. This number in decimal can be represented as by writing each digit separately 352 and by multiplying their octal weightage 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2 respectively. And why here 8 raised to 0 for number 2, as 2 is at ones place, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these are ones values. So it is necessary to write 8 raised to 0 here. So the final answer here 234 decimal. Is that clear? Next is the hexadecimal number system. A hexadecimal number system has 16 alphanumeric values from 0 to 9A to here. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16 because it has 16 alphanumeric values. Here A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Why this alphabet used? To reduce the number. Here are position, face value and weight for each and every digit, like starting from 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2 in this way. For example, consider the hexadecimal number 859. This number in decimal can be represented as 859 by writing separately each digit and multiplying their hexadecimal wattage, and by adding these values we will get the equivalent decimal of the hexadecimal number. So final answer will be 2137 decimal. Okay. In this way today we learn about number system, decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. You need to learn binary to understand how computers works. So this is most important number system. You may need to learn octal and hexadecimal if you want to do low level programming in assembly language. You need to learn decimal for everyday use because this is a default base of an economic system.